This is the Vehicle OCD from Salix Organizers for the 2016 and newer Nissan Titan. And in this kit you get the three pieces shown. These two pieces are the same. This piece is the piece that goes front to back. Very easy assembly. Just take the slots, lock them together. Do the same thing with this one. Just make sure that they're oriented the same way and put them together. And then what we'll do is we'll take this assembly to the truck and just drop it in the center console. We're in the Nissan Titan and it's super simple. It's assembled. Just drop it in from the top down, push it all the way to the bottom. It's fully seated and now it's ready to load with your stuff. Also, the tray that comes from the factory fits in there, and there's probably almost 2 inches of space underneath that, so there's no interference. These can be found on Amazon.com, and you can search Salix Organizers, S-A-L-E-X, and you'll find this plus many others.